Welcome back to Auto Xtreme Hub, your #1 spot for luxury rides, next-gen car tech, and the most exciting automotive reveals out there. If you're all about high-end style, smooth power, and staying ahead of the car game, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a drop. Now let's talk about the car that's making serious noise right now. The all-new 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost Series II. This isn't just another luxury sedan. It's a straight-up masterpiece on wheels. Rolls-Royce took everything great about the Ghost and elevated it into something even more refined, more advanced, and more commanding on the road. The design is sleek, bold, and ultra-premium. The illuminated front grille adds a futuristic glow, especially at night, while the slimmer laser headlights sharpen up the front end. Every line on this car feels intentional, clean, and powerful, like it's moving even when it's parked. Rolls-Royce nailed the balance between modern edge and timeless class. Under the hood, the Ghost Series II sticks with the tried-and-true 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, pumping out 563 horsepower. But this time, it's paired with a reworked suspension system that uses road-scanning cameras and GPS to prepare for bumps before you even feel them. Translation: it glides like a dream, whether you're behind the wheel or relaxing in the back. Speaking of the interior, it's exactly what you'd expect from Rolls-Royce, and then some. We're talking full-grain leather, custom wood veneers, and polished metal accents that make everything feel handcrafted and personal. The Starlight headliner returns with more customization than ever, and the rear cabin turns into a VIP lounge with reclining seats, massage functions, twin screens, and even a champagne cooler. Tech is smarter too. The new digital dashboard looks clean and futuristic. There's a redesigned infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and natural voice commands. It also includes advanced driver assistance like adaptive cruise, lane keep, and night vision, making the Ghost safer without sacrificing style. Now let's talk price. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost Series II starts around $355,000 in the US. But with custom options, and let's be real, every Rolls is tailored, you're looking at $400K to $450K easy. You're not just buying a car, you're investing in an experience, an identity, a legacy. That's a wrap on the 2025 Ghost Series II. Let us know in the comments. Would you drive it yourself or ride in the back like royalty? Hit that like button if you're loving the luxury vibes. And don't forget to subscribe to Auto Xtreme Hub for more of the latest from the world's most elite cars. See you next time.